Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I will change the stock head unit on this Hyundai Kona from 2020. But step by step I will show you how to do this. And just so you know, this applies more or less with small things, differences, also to Hyundai i30, I think also Elantra, and maybe Hyundai i10. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, first step would be to remove this back cover over here. So this part, you see a small seam here. You have to pry it, so you will need this type of tools, yeah, plastic ones, just not to scratch anything. Pry it from the back side, not from this side here, so like this into the windshield, yeah, and then you will have access to two screws over here, yeah, and this will be removed completely. In order to remove the other two screws, which are located over here and here, you will need to remove this entire panel over here, and this sun visor for the cluster has to be moved up, yeah, so this also has to be a little bit pushed up in order for this panel to be removed. Yeah. So unfortunately I cannot show you the full process, but I will document it step by step, yeah, because I cannot film as I work, but I will film it as I do it. Okay, so you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, yeah, you have to remove them, and then, yeah, here, as you can see, there is a latch system. You see, there is an L-shape system which has to glide, so don't pry it from this side, otherwise you will rip this tabs. Okay, next part, you have two screws, one over here and one over here. Remove these two screws, and then next part will be to remove this sun visor. Take a prying tool like this and put it right here. After you will unlock one of the tabs, just put your hand like this and pull towards you, gently pulling it, yeah, and in this situation you will release also this part. And here now we have to remove this this part, which is one of the most difficult one, and with this prying tool you will need to dislocate tabs like here, here, also here, there, and also on the same length on the downside, yeah, on the bottom side. Okay, once you unclicked all these tabs, you can see there are a lot of them, yeah, all over the panel. Then you have to disconnect the hazard lights. This is really easy to be done. Just click on the connector, and now you have fully removed this side panel, front panel, yeah. And now you have access to the last two screws, one over here and one over here. Once you remove all the screws, then you have two last tabs. One is located over here, which ends up actually here, and the other one here, and then you can just pull the head unit out, disconnect the three wires that you have, the three connectors, and just swap with the new unit that you want to install. So I think I hope this was useful for you. Short video today. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and see you into the next video. Bye bye.